In this market, buyers are constantly competing for their dream home. How can you make an offer that stands out above the rest? I've got 3 tips to help you do just that. Hi, I'm Natasha Ewing Johnson with eXp Realty, and I've helped multiple buyers get in their dream home. So I know it can be scary and exciting at the same time. It's my job to help you get into your dream home. Here's a few tips to help you stand out from the crowd. Number 1, make sure you have offered a competitive price on the home. In this market, there are sure to be plenty of offers being put out on the same house you're wanting. Don't hold out too much or you will find yourself losing out on that home. Number 2, put down a larger earnest money deposit. It shows that you're serious and also tells the seller that you are more likely to be qualified for that purchase. Be sure not to remove your loan or appraisal contingencies until you're absolutely certain that you're fully approved to purchase the home and the underwriter has given you full approval. Otherwise, you could stand to lose that deposit. What if you don't have enough money for a large down payment? Well, maybe you can remove some of your contingencies. For example, maybe you've seen the inspection and you know the house is in great shape. You can remove the inspection contingency. Or you've been through the entire approval process and you have seen your approval. Then you can remove your loan contingencies so that your offer looks stronger. Number 3, let the seller know that you have not written offers on any other properties. You've verified the taxes and taken them into consideration in regards to your payment. Let them know that you're going to be as reasonable as possible in regards to repairs and requests once you go into escrow. Make sure your agent is in contact with their agent consistently, helping you to make sure you as the buyer stands out in the eyes of that agent. Believe it or not, that can be what seals the deal. There's so many tips I can show you. Give me a call today. I would love to assist you in getting your dream home. I'm Natasha Ewing Johnson with eXp Realty, providing you premier real estate solutions.